Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the raw video and audio. Do that now. Choose a captioning tool that matches your language and privacy needs, because cloud services trade convenience for data sharing. Upload the MP4 or link the file, and then provide a short transcript or key phrases to seed accuracy. Once uploaded, select your language, dialect, and punctuation preferences. Make sure to enable speaker detection if you need multiple voices. This quick prep cuts errors and speeds the rest of the workflow. Now you run the recognition pass and monitor progress. Use punctuation and speaker labels to get readable captions, because raw transcripts are hard to follow. If speech is fast, tighten timing to 0, 1 to 0. 3 seconds. For slower, loosen to 0. 5 seconds so lines don't crowd. Once the engine finishes, export an editable SRT or VTT file and immediately save the original timestamps as a backup. Then load the captions into your video editor to preview sync and reading speed. Adjust line length and timing as needed. Finish by editing for accuracy. Fix homophones, proper nouns, and numbers. Those are common errors. Make sure each subtitle stays within 12 to 17 characters per second for comfortable reading, and split long sentences across lines to avoid truncation. Once corrected, choose burned-in subtitles for platforms without sidecar support, or export SRT/VTT for flexible delivery. If things go wrong, mismatched timing or poor ASR, rerun recognition with improved audio or provide a clean transcript. That single retry usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.